Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your account, license, and the target virtual machine image. Once done, install the desktop client or open the supported browser. Make sure your network offers at least 5 megabits per second for responsiveness. Enter your username, password, and complete multi-factor authentication. Then select the VM name or image you prepared. This gets you connected to the virtual desktop environment fast, so you can move into configuration and application setup without delay. Once connected, configure resources to match your tasks. Choose the VM size and adjust CPU, RAM, or GPU. Then map local drives and printers, enable clipboard sharing, and set the display resolution. 1920 by 1080 is common for productivity. Install required applications and apply security policies or endpoint protection. Make sure to take a snapshot or save a template before significant changes. This avoids rework and keeps performance optimal. After configuring to finish, save files to persistent storage or cloud and log out instead of only disconnecting. This ensures clean sessions. Once done, monitor performance metrics for CPU, memory, and network. Scale resources up or down to control cost and speed. If something goes wrong, restart the virtual machine and the client first. This clears transient issues. If the problem persists, verify network stability and review support or system logs for errors. Keep a snapshot handy so recovery is quick and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.